What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Rogan and Runescape. Got a special episode for you. A little prank call. Welcome to Rogan and Runescape. Rogan and Runescape. Hey, hey.
Alright, store has. Hey, yeah, I was just wondering how y'all got a nigga out on the side of the street holding a sign when it's been raining all day.
I'm sorry?
The dude has the sign for the sale in front of, in front of the rain all day. It has been raining as long as I've been awake. It's just, to me, it was kind of funny, but you really got a dude scheduled to hold a sign on a rainy day, scattered thunderstorms?
I guess.
I mean, I know it's not you. It's probably the manager, but damn. Yeah, is the manager available?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, I was just wondering how y'all got a nigga on the side of the road holding the sign for the half off sale. It's been raining all day. We got scattered thunderstorms. Like, I passed by. I mean, it definitely grabbed my attention, but to me, it's funny. I mean, to me, it was a little bit. But like, it's scheduled to rain all day. You got someone outside holding the sign.
It's not us. It's the company that owns us.
The company that owns you. I mean, yeah, it's I'm not trying to be too much, a little extra, but I don't know. That was just funny. Like, does he want to be working today? Like, you got scattered thunderstorms today, man. Like, you got people slipping off the road, the amount of rain, and the dude's outside holding a sign. That's dedication. If anything, that dude deserves a pat on the back when he comes back in.
No doubt, me. Loves his job. I mean, well, he don't work for us, but he works for a company that does that.
All right, man. Well, have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. Wow. Yes, sir. That dude deserves a pat on the motherfucking back, boy.